Yo, 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 it's Hublo back with another video. We're killing it. We're killing it. It's the beginning of the week. Yesterday, we ended up charting up gold. So we put in the chat gold and US 30. So these are the two pairs we were looking at. So I did see a POI at the top of the pair. As you can see, time doesn't lie. Yesterday, 9:17 a.m. We did also put in a US 30 trade. We're looking for a sell on that one. Caught that one on a lower time frame. US 31 didn't end up hitting our SL. I just feel like we were really just going off of like lower time frame. We did get a buy signal on the 30 minute. I ignored it due to the fact that we were in a POI and a point of interest where I was looking to sell. So I really wasn't really like paying too much attention to that because I was already somewhat knowing where structure and how structure was forming, and it was literally in the middle of my 50% area. So back to gold, we did ended up putting a risk to ratio on it. This was our SL. We're gonna look to see if we were gonna exit at the POI or we're gonna exit at the key levels up here. So we were just like waiting for us to be activated because I didn't really see price for I didn't see price like looking to possibly like activate or execute at that time. I just didn't feel like price was ready at that time, so I didn't even execute it. I just kind of put a buy stop above and kind of see when it would activate us. It didn't end up activating us until about 12 a.m. or so, but we did get this push up. As you can see, we would have been in all of this if we decided to be impulsive and just activate, just because we got a clear indication and clear signal, and also just the moves that we missed last week, just seeing like how price just kind of played out. So we're gonna look at both right now, US 30 and gold, just to kind of see exactly what we were looking at. So gold was beautiful. We did, if we executed and we were impulsive, we would have been in all this consolidation right here. We would have got taken out, and then it would have made our move. So by us executing this way and understanding that yes, we are going to be in by structure, but waiting for price to activate us was the best in this specific scenario. Like I said, the missed moves early in the past week, we ended up missing this move. We ended up cutting this move actually. So we cut this one, which ended up going all the way to TP, and we missed this one. So because price didn't break this structure, it kind of respected the structure and came up. I knew that we were gonna, see higher prices possibly higher prices to go lower to collect this liquidity, or higher prices to break structure and come clap this support zone here. So it looks like we're just going to continue to go up. It looks like, yeah, it definitely looks like price is going past this POI a bit. I am still in it. So we're good, looking to still capitalize on it. I have another position waiting up here just to kind of like get this little zone, just to kind of get this little zone right here. But I am still in the original position that I was in for a bit. I did cut some of my profits around the POI 30% area because I thought we were going to possibly see some downward motion, but did add another position here and kept some from the original trade. US 30, it did end up taking us out before it made this sell this morning. It looks like just yesterday just wasn't the time for it. We did have a bank holiday yesterday, so that could be a lot on why it didn't move the way we wanted it to. On top of us also getting a buy signal and just ignoring it, and just executing anyway, just because it was in our 30%, our 50%. Sorry. So that was just a lesson for real. So we just put that L as a lesson. It's not a loss. It's just a lesson. Just to just be a little bit more patient, kind of like we were on gold. But I strictly coded this so I can not only execute properly, but I can exit properly. So the reason why I'm so comfortable with still holding uh, this gold is because I see that the 30 minute, the 15 minute, the MAs and everything aren't even close yet. Once the 5 minute crosses, I'll definitely possibly know that it may start to turn around a bit, or it may start to digress a little bit just to move higher. But then at that point, I would want to cut my trade. So I'm comfortable with holding trades, executing trades due to um, the strategy that I have that I implemented into code. So I put my strategy into the code on how I like to trade, and it literally works the best for me. Um, this has literally like changed my trading for the better. It allows me to have such a peace of mind of knowing how long I should hold my trades, when to get out, where I can ride my trades to. I was always good at having a TP. I was always good at seeing exactly where in the market, marking up my POI in interest areas. Definitely over the years, the biggest takeaways that I had to work on was my SL, which I had to bring a little bit more down. I had to like feel comfortable with 35 pip SL, 30 pip SL. I was always used to like at least running at least a 15 pip SL, which I feel like was killing my trading also because it was just, I was putting my SL so tight it wasn't letting my trades breathe. So just a lot of, implementation, uh, implementing, sorry, into the trading, my trading system that allowed me to, just be as profitable as I am now and just be able to snipe, and getting into the market when the markets are ready to be gotten into is the biggest thing for me. I feel like a lot of people face drawdown because they're entering the market when the market is not ready. So that's like all I got for you guys today. If you guys have any questions, hit me up in the chat. We're gonna definitely, be killing the week, more. Probably looking at some Nas, probably looking at some US 30. Like I said last week, if you look at the past videos, I was gonna clear my chart. So we're not gonna be, trading anything outside of that, what you see here. So definitely, man, we're gonna definitely stay tuned. We're gonna be killing the markets. We're gonna be doing our thing. So if you guys want to kill the markets with us, if you guys want to, participate in this run that we're about to go on, like, subscribe, hop on our Discord, man. We definitely, want your energy. We would definitely want the energy in our Discord to, you know, pipe up and be lively because we're hitting every single day, man. Even if we take a loss, we make it back up. Um, with just one trade. The losses are insignificantly not important. Like it's so not important because of how much we're striking. So we're just going to continue to ride this momentum. If like I said, anybody have any questions, definitely hit me up in the chat, DM me. Or ask your question in the discussion because other people may have the same question as you, and you can answer somebody's question that may be a little shy to ask the question. So definitely feel free to revert back to either the resources or the study material or past videos of me looking at the charts and everything. And I'm gonna see you guys in the next one, man.